Sudden change of weather in hills is usual. Forests, clouds, rain, and electric sparking is wonderful. For some time, you forget the remaining world. Life looks remain constant. The green fields, the hills, the clouds, and forests touch the soul. When hills touch to each other, it looks the junction of many cultures. Clouds and fields near the road looks very beautiful. When sky touches to the top of hills, it looks as the sky came on the earth. The clouds at the top of mountains looks very beautiful. The house in the jungle and the river view. The houses on the edge of vertical hills looks dangerous and fearful. The small river continues from the hills towards the valley river, and after that, the plain explains the lifestyle of youngs of the hills. Nobody can estimate origination of the small river, but when she goes on her way, looks pretty and attractive. The bends on the roads, like yes, explain the cyclic order of the life. The blue color of the sky and dark mountains are nothing but the indication the end of the day. But the view is more interesting once again. The sky becomes blue and blue as it want to say something. The plants has lost its colors and flowers became black explains that once all creatures will emerge in black color and only sky would wash the view. But new morning will come, green forests will be seen again, flowers will be colorful, and life will run on the track. My city, where people are busy, restless, stateless life. Earning is first aim of the people, but in this busy life, don't forget your health. Don't forget your health.